Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in a parent body, pressure in the codes. No crown, no witness, no legend on display. Just ancient matter, learning how to outlive decay. Born with the Chondrites, lost edges in the heat. Thermal metamorphism made equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6, recrystallized grain. A furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class. Yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine held firelight, 24.5. Ferromagnesian scripture keeping deep time alive. Low cap pyroxene, F's 20.6. Whoa, 1.5 in the mineral mix. High phase carried another coded frame. Crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Meadow met light in the microscopic braid. Finally intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide, woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. Then collision rope percussion through the lattice like drums. Shock stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in a flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea, just the trajectory opening where gravity could see. Vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score, till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity meant molecules, compression turned right. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside vitrified dark, fusion crust sealed. He painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness fall entered any official line. The sky kept that chapter, earth inherited the sun. Sonoran ground caught way beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, not fragments on the run. 6143 grams resting close to ore, while abandoned mining country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014, on the page a prospector searched for gold, found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal, somebody planned. I came carrying pressure that no scale could explain. A black rim memorandum written deeper than a vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory waiting to be restored. Then it cut face open, laboratory lights awake. Thin section window show what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turn mineral, textures turn testimony. Petrography translated in extraterrestrial chronology. Fighting the olivine F's inside the chain. Whoa, marking calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar logged Doran and calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. V Overman gave ratios, analytical bars, not mythology. Measurements reconstructing scars. 164 grams enter curated record space, while away for under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1, earth barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residents whisper didn't overwrite the text. Terrestrial chemistry arrived comparatively next. L6, that label is a headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrated silicates keep all the processes there. A classification box can organize the stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen is known. Read the intergrowth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time, forensic work, or matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics impact atmosphere and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Change beneath internal heat long before this present sunlit ground. Survived collision physics, crossed an atmospheric gate. Reached Sonora carrying an unrequested date. They hunted for a fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answer with the history no market could announce. Gold comes from a ledger, I came speaking through a slide. Mineralogy on a mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega, add the letter in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. L group type 6 weak shock, weathered only slight. A fusion coded witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasy, no fabricated glow, just phase chemistry. chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. From parent body furnace to a Sonoran finding zone. The universe dropped evidence. Earth picked up one stone.